Hi guys, midday snack, fruit juice, crisps, bread rolls, and that looks like ham and sweet peppers. I love bread rolls. Okay, what have we done out here? Nothing since this morning. If you missed this morning, I've been trying out different wheels and tyres on a few cars. A little bit of action there, not a lot. Sun has come out. We were expecting rain today, but not going to complain. And we were trying out something different to feed the birds over there. Used cooking oil mixed in with rolled oats, or porridge as I would say. And that seemed to be quite popular. So I've got some video of that. That'll be about a month before you get to see it though, in my schedule. Yeah, okay. Time for our snack. Hi guys, midday snack. We've got guests, so I'm just sneaking out here while they're chatting. Cinnamon and raisin toasty loaf. That's all that's left. And I'll have to be quick. That'll do. Midday snack. Toast. Marmalade. Jam. Coffee. And outside we've had some rain. Still due to get quite a storm blow over, but so far not a lot. Don't think I've got anything to report here that I didn't report this morning. Here, somebody gave me this. Not because they thought I might be interested in clinical dermatology, but because they know I like CDs for making cars, wheels for rubber band powered cars. Don't know whether to look at it first or not. Certainly not just now. Snack time. Hi guys, we're out for lunch, or midday snack. We've actually tried several places this morning, or this afternoon, or midday, whatever you want to say, where I was going to try and put a boat in the stream. But all the access places we tried, we just didn't like. I think it's the best way to put it. So we just ended up sitting here. We are actually on the outskirts of Bristol, looking in towards Bristol, but you can't see Bristol because it's behind those grassy slopes. The housing area over there, which you can just about see, is Kingswood. And in the middle of the picture you can just about pick out where the ring road goes through, and the traffic is currently stationary because of the roadworks there. That's more or less right where that reflection is on the windscreen there. Just to the right of there is where the ring road is. And we are expecting rain, but it hasn't rained at the moment. It's quite pleasant. I think that's about it. That's our midday snack report. Hi guys, midday snack, fruit juice, cranberry raisin and cashew bloomer and fancy cheese. I think that's Wensleydale and cranberry or something like that. That's brie on there. So what have I been up to today? First of all, I'll tell you what we didn't do yesterday. I was going to go and put the boat in the water with a camera on it and go up and down the stream, but when we got there was workmen repairing the bank. I think that's what they were doing anyway, so we didn't. This morning, or this afternoon, it's about to start absolutely pouring down with rain. It's just beginning at the moment. We've been out there doing a very temporary fix on our fence just to pull it back up level because it's slowly tilting over. It's all rotten along the bottom, so that'll need replacing sometime. But not today. So, midday snack. Hi guys, midday snack. I can't remember what that bread's called. It's the stuff with cranberries in it and something else. Toasted. Apparently 3 toasted and 1 not toasted because it was 1 odd bit left. So it wasn't worth putting it in the toaster. I'm just sitting here in the comfy chair with the sun shining in, keeping nice and warm and having a little nap, to be honest. Been asleep. Rather nice. Pretending I'm laying on a sunny beach somewhere. Yeah, it's all looking rather nice out there. I did think it was going to rain. We've actually been out for a walk round to the local polling station to cast our votes for some local elections. And that's all I've done so far this morning. Nice lazy day. Hi guys, we've been shopping again. Out to Lidl in Kingswood. And then we've driven back this direction because I might be able to go and put my radio controlled cars over in that playing area. It's got a nice smooth surface, I think. Football playing area. As you can see, we're on the Costa Coffee again. We've eaten our food. Sausage rolls we had from Parsons, which is opposite Costa Coffee. Looks rather nice out there. A little bit windy, but nice and warm. Hi guys, midday snack. Toast, blackcurrant, jam, toast, marmalade, coffee. And out here, the table is a particular mess because I'm doing too many things at once. What I'm working on here is a lithium ion battery for the Mercedes instead of the nickel cadmium one. So that's what it's going to look like. Those are batteries out of a laptop I'm just testing to see if they'll take charge. We will see. Hi guys, out and about for our lunchtime snack today, midday snack. Keynsham, down at the lower car park. Sitting here looking at the river. Been to Costa Coffee, so we've got coffee and cakes. I'll just have a few quiet minutes here. Hi guys, midday snack. Soup. Plum, tomato and basil soup. That makes a change. That also makes it go out of focus. There we are, that's better. Yeah, so that's today's midday snack. We were going to go out, and at the moment it's beautiful sunshine, but it's been really windy and lots of heavy showers, so we decided to stay home. Haven't done any more here this morning since my morning video. Well, I've tidied a little bit, but I haven't made any more progress on the battery. I charged up my big truck in case we went out, but should have to let some battery power out of that now. Storage power. Don't want to leave it fully charged if we're not going out. Anyway, that'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.